Let's take a look at this example, gaps and differences, average with unknown quantities. Shanice needs to score 90 marks for her last mathematics test in this semester to improve her average score from 75 to 78. How many mathematics tests were there altogether in a semester? So I know that she needs to score 90 marks, okay, for her last test to improve her average from 75 to 78. So I'm trying to find out how many tests are there altogether. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use this unit and table method, okay? So at first, okay, the number of tests that she has to take is 1 unit, right? And the average marks that she had before was 75. Now, to find the total marks, okay, for this 1 unit of test, if the average is 75, would be to take 1 unit times 75, right? Total amount, okay, would be quantity times the average, right? So that would be 75 units. Now, for her next set, okay, of the test, she will have to do 1 extra test, right? And that is 1 unit plus 1. So 1 unit comes from the number of tests before, but right now she has to do 1 extra test such that she can increase her average to 78. And so the total number of marks, okay, that she's going to score for this next set of tests would be 78 times 1 unit, which is 78 unit, and 78 times that 1 test. So that would be plus 78 marks. Now, the question tells us that she needs to score 90 marks for her last test, right? So this means that, okay, the difference between the total marks before and after the last test is 90. So 78 units plus 78 will be the same as 75 units plus the 90 marks. So we're going to do some shifting here. Okay, you're going to shift your units to one side. So 78 units minus 75 units will be 90 minus 78. So this gives me 3 units, which represents 12 marks. So 1 unit would be 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So the question is asking how many math tests were there altogether in a semester. So 1 unit represents 4 tests. And we have to add in that 1 extra test, right? So that would be 4 plus 1, which is 5. So 5 tests were altogether in a semester.